Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a product that brings versatility to your makeup routine, all while delivering a stunning pop of color. It's the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream in the shade Peony. This 2-in-1 cream promises to enhance both your lips and cheeks with a sheer, buildable finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream is designed for all skin types and provides a natural, fresh flush of color. It's a creamy formula that can be applied on both the lips and cheeks, offering a soft, buildable finish. The shade Peony is described as a brownish-rose, quite a warm, flattering tone that can work for various skin tones. This product claims to deliver a sheer finish, so if you prefer something more intense, you can layer it for more pigment. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and it's really easy to integrate into a busy beauty routine. The texture is creamy, but not overly heavy, which makes it quite comfortable on the skin. On the cheeks, it blends effortlessly, creating a dewy, natural-looking flush. You can apply it with your fingers or a brush, depending on your preference, but I personally love the warmth of applying it directly with my fingertips for a more blended finish. When used on the lips, the product feels hydrating without being greasy. It provides a soft wash of color that's perfect for a more natural, everyday look. The creamy texture makes it comfortable to wear throughout the day, and I don't feel like it's drying out my lips, something I always appreciate in a lip product. The only real downside here is that the product can be a bit too sheer if you're after a bold, standout lip or cheek look. For those who prefer a more pigmented appearance, it will require some layering. Additionally, since it's a cream, I noticed that it can be a bit prone to fading throughout the day, especially if you're in hotter or more humid conditions. So you might need to reapply it once or twice depending on your environment. Now let's talk about the value. The Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream isn't the cheapest product on the market, but it's a versatile, 2-in-1 formula that can replace both a blush and a lip color. For someone who values efficiency in their beauty routine, or wants a product that can be tossed into their bag for on-the-go touch-ups, it's a solid investment. The quality is there, and the brand is well known for creating products that deliver. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternative options in the drugstore that offer similar functionality, though the texture and longevity may not compare to Stila's formula. I've also noticed that the packaging is sleek and compact, which makes it perfect for travel. It's easy to carry around, and the fact that it's dual purpose just adds to its convenience. As for build quality, I haven't experienced any issues with the product breaking or becoming unusable, so it seems to hold up well over time. Now onto a crucial point. If you're looking for a product that provides a vibrant, long-lasting lip color or cheek stain, this might not be the one for you. It's best suited for those who like a more natural, sheer look, but for daily wear or a light makeup day, it's definitely a winner. So, who is this product for? If you're someone who enjoys a fresh, natural look with just a touch of color, the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream in Peony could be a great fit for you. It's easy to apply, feels comfortable, and offers that effortless beauty look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.